I'm gonna make you a pork adobo, whole pork, roasted, soft, shreddy, yummy, yum, with a fresh citrus rice salad. It's gonna be incredible. First thing that you wanna do is, I've got pork roast. You can use pork belly, you can use pork shoulder, really anything that kind of goes with low and slow cooking, so it can get that nice pork tenderness. Can work. So I've got this yummy pork rump roast that I've got here. A bit of oil into my pan that's been heating up. And then my pork baby goes in fat side down first. I want that to get some color. You know, color means flavor, nice brownness, GBD. See just now. I'm gonna grab a cloth and flip my pork around. Then let that other side just some beautiful caramelization and color as well. Now put that to the side for a second. I'm just going to add some onions and then bay leaf. Fresh bay leaf, you can use dry bay leaf. Some ginger that I sliced, I didn't even bother to peel it. And then garlic cloves. Not even gonna chop them or anything, just whole like that. Just gonna melt and disintegrate into that yumminess. And then the other thing that you want is peppercorns. So I'm gonna use a few in here, not even crushing them, just like a few peppercorns. In we go. And give that a stir. Once your onions are nice and golden and caramelized with that garlic and the ginger, smells amazing. Once that's happening, then I'm going to start adding my liquids back into the pot. I'm going to use some apple cider vinegar in here. That's going to give us some yummy sour zestiness into the dish. And then some soya sauce. And then a bit of water. Give that a stir because you want everyone to be friends and get to know one another. One of my favorite parts about this dish is actually the sauce. It's, I mean, a piece of crusty bread just dipping into that sauce, or when that rice kind of just sucks it all back up. It is where all the flavor is. And of course, the pork being so yummy and soft and pull apart is also a whole mood. Pork goes back in, and then one final ingredient is some brown sugar. It's all about the balance of that sour, that umami, that saltiness, and the sweetness. What you could also use is honey, would be also uber delicious. Stir that guy in, and then close it up, and then into the oven we go. Bye, little friend. Okay, our pork has been going, and I think it's time to set up our rice salad. So I've got jasmine rice. Love jasmine rice, fragrant, yummy, delicious. So I'm gonna grab a grapefruit. You could also use orange, it will work well with this recipe. Chopped up, all that yummy juices and that tartness. And then to this, I'm going to add some rice vinegar as well. Roasted sesame oil. Yum, yum, yum. Touch of salt as well in there. And then I am going to bulk it up with lots and lots of herbs. Parsley, coriander, dill if you've got, mint. It could be anything, but I think coriander, mint, definitely a must. Smells like summer. It goes in there as well. And then that beautiful, yummy deliciousness. I think with that richness of that pork and the sweetness, it's just gonna marry so beautifully together, and it's gonna be delicious. Time to reveal our glorious pork. It just smells incredible. Incredible. So I'm gonna now shred it up. Let's look at how beautifully tender that guy is. So, fragrant rice. I also want to create a bed of it because it's just so delicious, and I want all that yummy, soupy sauciness all over it. Smells incredible. And then I like to finish it off with Bit of crispy onions as well. Let's dig in. Oh my goodness. Wow. If I came to your house and you made me this, I would be the happiest person ever. It is just so yummy. The meat is so tender. Great umami from that pork and that balance of sweet and sour. And you get that freshness of grapefruit. It is incredible. I'm going to continue eating and you go buy this and make it. Bye.